Hey Saint! In this video, I review the Full Focus Planner along with its companion products, journal and notebook. I've got my tea. Let's do this. A big key to happiness is feeling that you are living the life God has called you to. And the Full Focus Planner helps me do that like nothing else I have ever found. I recently saw a young man dead on the highway from a motorcycle crash. It reminded me, life is short, and I need to do my part to make sure my time on the planet is worth it. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this planner, and you will too, along with the 2 companion products and the gear that I use with it. Reason number 1, the private Facebook group. At the time I'm recording this, there are over 9,800 members in the group. It's very active. Whatever questions you have, you can get them answered there. Reason number 2, they release new editions based on customer feedback. It's like software. It just keeps getting better. Reason 3, it helps me reach my goals. The way it does this is it ties your goals to your weekly and daily activities. It works great. One of the first pages is the annual goals page. These goals tie into your weekly big 3, which in turn tie into your daily big 3. This may seem simple, but it absolutely makes it easier to make progress on your most important goals. Also in the planner are pages to record your 4 essential daily routines. To check out my exact evening routine, click the card above. And now let's talk about the companion products. First up, the Full Focus Journal. This is absolutely the best journal I have ever used, and it integrates great with the planner. Let me show you an example so you can see how the question from the journal ends up in the planner. Because of the journal and the planner combination, I'm having the best weekly reviews I've had in over a decade. The other companion product is the Full Focus Notebook. This is a simple product, but it helps me keep my planner and my journal clutter-free. And it has an index in the back that works great. For more details about all 3 products, go to fullfocusstore.com. And I've got a link in the description to kit.com for all my gear, including my Full Focus gear. The Pilot Friction Pen. This is great, it's erasable and looks good, and it's the one that Michael Hyatt uses. And the pen loop, you can see it here. It just works. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe by clicking my picture on the screen. That's a wrap, and I'll see you next time.